This is warm, fluffy Japanese milk bread, and I'm going to show you how to make it. First things first, we'll need to make a tangzong. This will take our bread to the next level and give us a fluffy texture. Mix 40 grams of bread flour with 200 grams of water. Once mixed, turn your stove on to medium heat. Using a spatula, mix everything around in the pan until it turns gelatinous. This will take a couple of minutes. Once done, put everything into a container and leave it in the refrigerator for 6 hours. Next, you'll need to mix your dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add in 580 grams of bread flour, 60 grams of sugar, 12 grams of salt, 10 grams of dry yeast, and 10 grams of dry milk. Whisk everything together. Next, add in your wet ingredients. You will need to add in 260 grams of whole milk, 50 grams of eggs, and your tangzong that has been brought up to room temperature. Mix everything until you have a cohesive dough. And then add it to a bowl and cover it in plastic wrap to let it proof for 1 hour. Once your dough is proofed, you can deflate it and place it onto a cutting board. Divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Roll each piece of dough into a ball and then cover them up in plastic wrap and let them proof for another 15 minutes. Next, you're going to roll out your dough balls as flat as possible. Each flattened dough ball, you're going to fold it like a letter, and then you're going to turn it and roll it into a ball, and make sure you pinch the dough to create a seal. Once you have 3 dough balls, you can put them into a well-greased bread pan. Next, you're going to make an egg wash out of 1 egg and a splash of whole milk to brush on your dough. Then you're going to let your dough proof covered for 30 minutes. When that's done, you're going to bake at 355 degrees Fahrenheit.